How to use Amazon Relay app for drivers 2025. If you're hauling loads for Amazon, the Relay app is your control center, but most drivers don't use it to its full potential. Here's how to use Amazon Relay in 2025. After logging in, you'll see load assignments, pickup times, and delivery locations. The app provides turn-by-turn navigation to Amazon facilities. Check in digitally when arriving at pickup or drop-off locations. This speeds up yard entry and reduces wait times. You can upload documents, confirm load status, and message dispatch directly in the app. Most people get this wrong by ignoring notifications. Relay alerts help prevent missed appointments. The surprising truth is that consistent app usage improves performance metrics. In 2025, Amazon Relay is essential for independent drivers and carriers. Use it correctly and your workflow becomes smoother. Subscribe for more logistics and driver tips explained clearly.